Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to recover a forgotten password on InfinitePay.io. If you have lost access to your account, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to reset your password and regain access. So let's get started. First of all, go to the InfinitePay.io login page. Under the login fields, select on the forgot password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your InfinitePay.io account. Enter your email and select submit. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from InfinitePay.io. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and select on the password reset link. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password. Make sure it's strong by using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the next field. Select submit to save your new password. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Now return to the InfinitePay.io login page and log in with your email and new password. And there you have it. You have successfully recovered your password on InfinitePay.io. Always remember to keep your password secure and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.